Get excited about the 2010 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 10,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 35 miles per gallon on the highway proves the economical nature of this vehicle. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.